Hello, welcome to my channel. I hope you will be fine. The question is x plus 1 over y is equal to 1, y plus 1 over z is equal to 1, z plus 1 over x is equal to 1. Find x, y, z. Solution is here x plus 1 over y is equal to 1, y plus 1 over z is equal to 1, z plus 1 over x is equal to 1. Now adding these three equations. Here x plus 1 over y x plus 1 over y plus 1 over z plus 1 over x is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now rearranging x plus y plus z plus 1 over x plus 1 over y plus 1 over z is equal to 3. This is our first equation. Now multiplying these three equations, multiplying above three equations. X plus 1 over y plus 1 over z, z plus 1 over x is equal to 1 into 1 into 1. Now multiplying these terms, x, y, z plus x plus y plus z plus 1 over x plus 1 over y plus 1 over z plus 1 over x, y, z is equal to 1. This is our equation 2. Now from equation 1, from equation 1, x plus y plus z, x, y, z, this is equal to, this portion of this equation is equal to 3 plus 3 is equal plus 3 plus 1 over x, y, z is equal to 1. Now x, y, z plus 1 over x, y, z is equal to 1 minus 3. Now let x, y, z is equal to a. Then a plus 1 over a is equal to minus 2. Here we rearrange taking LCM, then a square plus 1 is equal to minus 2a. Now a square plus 2a plus 1 is equal to 0. A plus 1 whole square is equal to 0. We use a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is 1 is square of 1. Now taking square root, a plus 1 whole square is equal to 0. A plus 1 is equal to 0. These square root are cancelled. A is equal to minus 1. A is equal to minus 1. Therefore, backward substitution, A is equal to x, y, z. Therefore, x, y, z is equal to minus 1, which is our answer.